Alright guys, quite a major update today. So, it is now illegal to literally hold this. Now my keys are out the ignition and I'm in park. But the busies now, or police, are going to be very strict now with mobile phone use. So beforehand, it was like, you could have your phone like that, do you know what I mean? And there's no law really scanning whatever, you know what I mean, or whatever. It was only calls that was like illegal, really. So now it's started today. I'm going to read a little bit from the government's website, right? So, Transport Secretary declares zero tolerance for phone use behind the wheel as law changes today. So, as of the 25th of March. It is now illegal for motorists to use a handheld mobile phone under virtually any circumstances while driving. Yeah, it's legal. This is including taking photos or videos, scrolling through playlists, or playing games. As the government closes a loophole previously exploited by dangerous drivers to escape conviction. Anyone caught using their handheld device while driving could face up to £1,000 fine, 6 points on their licence, or a full driving ban. Yeah, so it's proper strict. Where's the thingy where it really affects us? Because when I was reading through it, I was thinking Amazon Flex, Uber, taxis, most like Uber Eats, most phone gigs, you need to touch your phone while driving. So I was like, what's going on? Right, here we go. Drivers are able to make contactless payments, for example, at drive-thrus. So as long as their vehicle is stationary, they can still use a device hands-free while driving if it's secured in a cradle, allowing motorists to use their phone as a sat-nav. So what that means is you cannot be holding your phone and driving. Doesn't matter what you're doing, your phone cannot be in your hand while driving. Do you know what I mean? Some people have the sat-nav on, don't they? And like, they just put it on the side and watch it and think you'd be like that, scanning through your playlists on your phone. Well, it's that, you can't do any of it. Literally, if they see you holding the phone, you'll get done. Also with the contactless payments, you literally, as you drive, you've got to leave your phone in your cradle, and as you drive around the drive-through, as soon as you pull up at the window, put your car in park or neutral, handbrake, yeah, and then you can take your phone out the cradle, put a contactless, bing, and then put it back in the cradle before you drive off. Don't be holding your phone as you're going around the drive-through. They're proper strict on it. Oh yeah. So they must, however, always take responsibility for their driving and can be charged with an offence if the police find them not in proper control of the vehicle. So what that means is they can still do you if it's in a cradle. So yeah, so as you know with the UK law, it's very grey area. The law previously only applied to so-called interactive communication, such as making a call, as it was written before mobile phones could be used for complicated tasks such as taking videos. Previously those caught using their mobiles at the wheel have in some cases been able to escape conviction by claiming they weren't using them for the interactive communication. Do you know what I mean? So you could blag it and say, I weren't phoning anyone. So yeah, but that's the little grey area. Drivers are able, with it contactless while the vehicle is stationary. They can also still use a device hands-free while driving if it's secured in a cradle, allowing motorists to use their phone as a sat-nav, right? They must, however, always take responsibility for their driving and can be charged with an offence if the police find them not being in proper control of the vehicle. So, never have a mobile phone, guys, in your hand while driving at all, never. And also, if it's in the cradle, you still might get done if your driving's crap. But as for us, if it's in the cradle and I get a job offer, can I still click the screen and accept the job? I'm guessing so, because literally it's gonna be dead quick, guys. So if you're driving down the road like that, 2 hands, obviously, safety, driving down the road and you get a job, just literally go. Do you know what I mean? And if you go that fast, the police won't even be able to tell that you touched your phone. Nah, all jokes aside, I don't know, but all I do know is never have a mobile phone in your hand, end of, while you're driving. And when you're using your phone contactlessly, if you're going through the tunnel or if you're going through the drive-through, make sure that your car is parked before you take your phone out of your cradle. And regarding using your phone while driving in the cradle, just be very careful what you do. Do you know what I mean? Even if it's in the cradle, I know a few people, you'd be clicking next, won't you, on your playlists and stuff. It doesn't mention that. So that's on the .gov website. Is anyone got any comments over this, guys? Let me know in the comments below, and share any like websites or anything that you got that information from. Because obviously I don't want hearsay. I want like facts. That's the reason why I've gone for the government's website and not like the Daily Mail. Do you know what I mean? Because like obviously I wanted facts. Guys, below the video is going to be a link to the article I've just read. If you want to read it yourself and get your own opinion on it as well, let me know in the comments what you think, guys. But yeah, they're going to be super strict with the phone now. So like sometimes you'd be like that, won't you? And you get a WhatsApp and you're a little video or whatever, or like you got your tunes on and you're like that, aren't you? Next. Do you know what I mean? All that's gone now. If you have this phone in your hand while you're driving a vehicle, you'll get done. All right, guys, do us a favour. Let me know in the comments what you think of this new change. Share it with everyone that you know who's got a car, because obviously it started today, so it isn't very important. And that's it, guys. I will keep you updated if there's any more things that come out or come to light. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and enjoy the channel, guys. All right, see you later.